In this video, I will show you 3 ways to reset your creativity so you can start your creative routine with a fresh perspective and newfound energy. Whether you have been away from painting for a while, or perhaps you feel stuck in the same painting routines, you just know you are in need of a boost of inspiration or a nudge in a new direction. Let's start the new year with a restart of our creative mindset. Here are 3 ways to gain a fresh perspective and recharge your creative energy. If you usually paint small, try painting bigger, much bigger. Taking a small painting and scaling it up to a much larger artwork on canvas has its own problems and challenges. You have to shift your thinking a bit and think about painting in a slightly different way. One way to get started doing this is using cheaper materials to practice on before jumping in to painting on a large, real canvas. I found that painting on cardboard or cheap brown flooring paper to be really great for practicing this approach. On the other hand, if you usually paint very large, then maybe the time has come to scale way down and try working on a small scale. Then perhaps working on a series of small paintings might be just what you need. I will leave links to both types of approaches below the video here if you want to paint big or if you want to paint in a series. My second idea is to try using one of those colors you bought but never opened. You know, the one you thought you would like, or the one you got because they had a 2-for-1 offer. If you don't like the color, you don't have to use it straight from the tube. Instead, try mixing it up with 2 other colors plus black and white. I think you'll be so surprised by the colors you can mix from this ugly or weird colors that you have and never use. Give it a try, you have nothing to lose, and I bet you will come up with a range of colors that you actually like and might inspire you to a whole new way of using colors and creating color combinations. I will put links below to 2 great ways of mixing colors, 2 foolproof ways that are sure to get you hooked on the fun of mixing colors. Idea number 3 is that mixed media is your friend. By mixed media, I mean try using charcoal, graphite, collage, or something else on top of your failed acrylic paintings. If your paintings are on paper, you could rip them up and use them as collage for new paintings as well. By the way, I never call paintings failed. I call them unfinished, and it really helps put my mindset at ease because I don't feel that I've wasted paint or paper. I want to include a bonus idea as well, but before I do that, I want to remind you of my free guide. If you want to get into painting looser and making your painting routine more fun and enjoyable, don't forget to download my free guide, 5 proven ways to loosen up your painting style. See the link below the video here. It's a free guide, it's quick, it's easy, with hands-on practical tips that you can start using today. And now on to the bonus idea. Unusual tools. Yes, I know I mention this one often, but it really, really works. Firstly, because we don't have the same expectations to the outcome when using a window, scraper, or steel wool. We are much more open to experimentation and play, so try out making new and unusual marks on some old cardboard or copy paper and see what ideas that might spark. See all the links to the different ideas I've shared. You can find them in the text below the video here. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.